All right. So the big question is, when should we be getting into Bitcoin trades? Are we buying to hold? Are we buying to close and take profit as we're going up? That's up to you. I'm going to show you a way to get into the trade and either take profits or hold the thing. It's completely up to you, right? Um, but what we're looking at, what's on your screen right now, is a weekly candle turned into a support and resistance zone. So each one of these is a weekly candle. So right here it starts at 6 and then it ends at 6 on Sunday here. So 6 on Sunday here and 6 on Sunday there. And if you look at price, it comes up, bounces, and goes up off of it, right? Or underneath it, like this right here. So this is the weekly candle turned into a support and resistance zone. We don't need candles for what we're doing. This right here, this white line, is the daily one. I just turned off the fill zone, so let's turn it back on. So this is the high and low, and here is the midline of the daily candle. So what we're going to do is kind of, I mean, it sounds simple in trading. If you talk to anybody that's profitable, will tell you once you get it, it becomes so easy. This is basically just like a moving average cross, but a lot more accurate. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to see, we'll start this replay here because this is a good one. You want to see price, the weekly candle, right? Take the low of a previously weekly candle. It's that simple. So we'll click play. You'll see how this forms. There you go. So it took it. Here we go. So what are we looking for now? Well, we're going to turn on our dailies, right? And we're gonna wait for this white line to break above the red line. That's it. That's all we're waiting on. And we're gonna do that right now and see what happens. Okay, there's a break, so we're going to buy. Okay. And now what are we gonna do for our take profit? Well, if you're looking to buy to hold, then you know what you're doing. If you're looking for a buy to um, take money out of the market now, a really good place is the midline of the previous weekly candle. So this previously weekly candle, this is 6 p.m. right here, right? This is where it ended. Putting this right here, this what does this means to us? This means that this weekly candle is going to penetrate or break over the average price of the previously weekly close. Okay, that's a really good possibility that it's actually going to hit that. So let's find out. Let's go. Let's click. We're clicking. We're watching. Let's see if it's going to get up there. Okay, so we have rejected right here. So right here is where you would want to break even. And let's see if we're actually going to get up there and tag that take profit. Make this go faster if we could. And take profit was smashed. There you go. $9,592 was taken on that one right there. So that is how you can get into the swing trades of Bitcoin and actually profit. Now let's see what happens if you would have went any higher on that. And it doesn't look like, yeah, we're going to start dropping now. So yeah, so that is a very good, yep, look at that huge drop. That is a very good place to look to take profits when you're doing stuff like this, because there's a ton of orders sitting right in this area right here that are waiting to be filled. And if you're looking to close at the top, that's more than likely going to be where they're going to be, is right all in this area right here, somewhere around in here. So pinpoint perfect, no, it's not exact, but you need to be watching price action as it gets up into here and close manually if you think that it's going to reverse. But there you go. That is my way and my take on when you should be buying Bitcoin.